The Valley of Faith. In a sun-scorched valley with no trees, no river, and no sign of life, Prophet Ibrahim left his wife Hajar and their baby Ismail by Allah's command. Alone under the vast desert sky, Hajar felt fear rise within her, but her trust in Allah held firm. When their water was gone, Ismail cried in thirst. Desperate, Hajar ran between two hills, Safa and Marwa, 7 times searching for help. Then, from the earth at her son's tiny feet, water began to gush. This was Zamzam, a spring that would never run dry. Years later, Ibrahim returned. With his son, he raised the foundations of the Kaaba, a simple cube-shaped sanctuary dedicated to the worship of one God. Centuries passed. Makkah grew into a center of trade and pilgrimage, but idols filled the Kaaba, and the truth of Ibrahim's message was forgotten. Then, in this very city, Muhammad ibn Abdullah was born. Known for his honesty, he received the call of prophethood and invited people back to worship Allah alone. After years of struggle, the prophet returned to Makkah in peace. The Kaaba was cleansed, and the city became the heart of Islam. To this day, pilgrims from every land come to circle the Kaaba, drink from Zamzam, and walk in Hajar's footsteps, remembering that faith can turn even the most barren valley into a place of eternal blessing. Do you want me to also make a poetic 1-paragraph version for Makkah that sounds almost like a legend? That could be powerful. Is this conversation helpful so far? Cha.